students, greetings for the day from Umadevi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 6th computer teacher. Today we are going to start the session number 2 of our chapter number 8. So in the session number 2, we will learn today variables in Python, working in script mode, data types. So before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in the quiet place? Are you in the proper network? Have you put a stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? And are you wearing the headphones? So after ensuring all of these things, let's start. Variables in Python. If you need to store some food for future use, what will you require? Well, you will need a container to store the food. Similarly, when you are working with the values in Python, you require some storage to hold values for later use. Such storage locations are known as variables. A variable can store only one data value at a time. When a new value is stored in a variable, its previous value gets overwritten. Okay, so look at here the assignment operator. Values are assigned to variables using assignment operator. Okay, for example, the statement x is equal to 25 assigns the value 25 to the variable x. Okay, so observe the following codes to understand the use of assignment operators. Look at here value 10 is assigned to the variable a. Here value 20 is assigned to variable b. Here the numbers are added and the value is assigned to variable c. Okay, so 30 will be here. Okay, so it is assigned to c. Like this, here value 20, 30 minus 10. C, the value of c is 30 minus 10 is assigned to variable a. Okay, so now the value of the variable a is 20, not 10. Okay, rules to write the variable names. There are certain rules in Python which have to be followed to form valid variable names. The rules for valid identifier variable name are: a variable name must start with an alphabet, capital or small, or an underscore. A variable name can consist of alphabets, digits, and underscore. No other character is allowed. A Python keyword cannot be used as a variable name. So here is one note. A variable name can be of any length. Variable names are case sensitive. Means if you have written capital A, small g and small e, and smaller age, okay, are different variable names. Example of some valid variable names are, look at here, these are some valid variable names. Capital C, then LASS in small letters, EMP underscore code, to salary, min value, bell underscore free, age 1980, or A45R. So these are some valid variable names. Followings are invalid variable names. Look at here, employee space code, space is not allowed. 10 code, we can start a variable name with a number, okay, with a digit. A.B.C space limited, so dot is not allowed. ABC at the rate of limited, so special characters are not allowed. Else is a keyword in Python, so it cannot be used as a variable name. So dear students, one note is given here. If a variable is being used without assigning a value, if the variable is not defined, it gives an error. Okay, so dear students, look at here, it will be the error. Look, a is equal to 100, b is equal to 200, and print x. When x, we have not given x, so how can we get the value? So it will show the variable error like this. You can see here the error is here. Name of the error is name x is not defined because we have not defined x. Okay, so the above code gives an error because the variable x is used in the print function without being defined. Okay, Now working in script mode. Interactive mode is preferred for small programs where only a few commands are to be executed. This is because the output in interactive mode is compressed between the statements and may create confusion while writing long programs. A script is a program that you type in Python. For writing lengthy programs in Python, script mode is used. Using this mode, we can create and edit Python programs. In this mode, we can save our files so that it can be used later. The complete script is written in an editor such as a notepad in Windows. Okay, so first one, create module script program file. Okay, so open idle Python, click on the file and new file. Okay, in idle Python like this shown in figure 8.14. In the new window that opens, this one new window 8.15 figure. Okay, type the commands you want to save as a program. Okay, so like if we open idle Python shell, so we will open new file from clicking on file button, file tab. Then we will get this type of new window. Here we will type our commands. Okay, like this: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. Print the sum of the number is c. Okay, so like this we can create module script or program file. Now look at here. The next one step is we have to click on the file tab, then we will click on save. So this one save as dialog box will appear, so we can save the file. Okay, so .py is our extension for Python files. Now second one is run module. Okay, script or program file. Okay, run module script program file. After the Python program file is created, you can run the program by following the given steps. Okay, first one step is open idle Python shell, click on the file, open. Okay, the file is already opened. Okay, you can directly follow the next step. You have to click on run module or F5. Either we will click on run tab, okay, and then run module, or we can directly press F5 key. Okay, it will execute all the commands that you have stored in separate Python shell window. Observe the difference between script mode and the interactive mode shown in figure 8.18. Look at here, this one is our script mode. Okay, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b, and then we have printed the sum of the number is c. Okay, then we will get the output in c variable. But here in interactive mode, okay, we have written, okay, in the file. Okay, directly we can get the sum of the number is 30 because we have opened the file, then we have executed and we have got the sum 30. Okay, so data types. Suppose you have planned a holiday trip during vacations and you have to book tickets for your family members. The first action that you need to take is to fill a form to get the reservation done, where you need to give your required details like train number, date of journey, name, age, etc. Here every piece of data that you enter is of a specific type, as your name is a string type, age is numeric type, and date of journey is of date type. Similarly, in Python, one must specify in a program what kind of values will be stored in specific variables. So this is the end of the session number 1. Here your homework is you have to complete. If you are having any left work, you will complete that within the 7 days. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.